Hello everyone, today I'll be teaching you how to make injera. The ingredients are listed below. I will be using the Bob's Red Mill whole grain Teff flour. This is the star of this recipe. In a clean bowl, combine all your dry ingredients such as the Teff flour, followed by the all-purpose flour, make sure to sift, baking powder, and salt. I recommend that you whisk all the dry ingredients first before adding the water, but I made the mistake and it resulted to it being clumped up. And add the other half of your water and whisk it again until no lumps remain. Don't forget to add vinegar. The consistency of the batter should be in between crepe and pancake. Then rest for at least 10 minutes. Ideally, this is cooked in a non-stick pan, but you can just grease it. Tilt the pan to easily spread the batter, rotate it if necessary, and put it back on heat and wait for the bubbles to come out. You may also cover to speed up the process of the cooking. Once it's done, no need to flip it anymore, and then do the whole process again until all your batter is finished. Injera is traditionally rolled when served, so let's try to roll everything before we consume it. And that's how you make injera. Enjoy!